A supercell thunderstorm is a powerful atmospheric phenomenon. It can produce large hail, damaging winds, catastrophic flash floods, and occasionally tornadoes. In fact, if a supercell is well developed and long-lived enough, it can produce several separate tornadoes along its path. A series of tornadoes produced by the same thunderstorm is known as a tornado family. Tornadoes generally form within an area of intense rotation inside the thunderstorm called the mesocyclone. If the mesocyclone should weaken, this can also cause the tornado to weaken and dissipate. But if the mesocyclone later strengthens or reforms, additional tornadoes may form further along the thunderstorm's path. Rarely, several members of the same tornado family may even be on the ground simultaneously, as seen here. The devastating Carolinas tornado outbreak of March 28, 1984, featured one of the longest tornado families on record. A gigantic supercell produced a continuous 250-mile-long path of tornado activity from northern South Carolina across eastern North Carolina. Some of the tornadoes in this family were on the ground simultaneously, including these two violent tornadoes which moved together only 5 miles apart near the towns of Bennettsville and McCall, South Carolina. The concept of tornado families was first studied in depth in the late 1950s by severe storms researcher Ted Fujita of the University of Chicago. His groundbreaking analysis of a destructive tornado that hit Fargo, North Dakota on June 20, 1957, revealed that what was officially recorded as a single, straight-line path in North Dakota and neighboring Minnesota was actually a series of 5 separate tornadoes, some of which moved rather erratically. Expert analysis of tornado damage is usually necessary for the distinct members of a tornado family to be properly identified and mapped. As with the Fargo tornado family, several historic tornadoes with long official paths may have actually been tornado families consisting of several separate, shorter paths. We may never know if the Great Tri-State Tornado of March 18, 1925 was a single tornado with an incredible 219-mile-long path, or a family of several tornadoes produced by a powerful supercell across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. It's now thought that at least part of this path was comprised of as many as 3 separate tornadoes, either on the ground simultaneously or touching down one after another.